What's up? It's Shay and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Hi. Again, my name is Shay. I do a whole bunch of hair, fashion, and random stuff on my channel. So if you want to see more of me, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video already. Like, come on. Hello. And yeah, so this video is about to be part of a series that I'm starting. It's going to be makeup amateur tries blank. So I did my makeup. Again, I'm an amateur, so it's not great, so don't kill me in the comments. But yeah, I did my makeup. It's not the best. One eyebrow, I don't like how it looked. The other eyebrow is like okay. And then my eyeshadow, child, I don't know how to do eyeshadow. It looks okay. Anyways, so in this episode, we're gonna try to put lashes on. So I ordered these Ardell lashes from Target. It's the naturals one. So it's these lashes right here. So it is the 120 Demi Black. Yeah. So I've never had lashes on. I've never got lashes put on me. So this is about to be interesting. So yeah, this is how I normally would do my makeup. I would put my BB cream, conceal, do my eyebrows, put on some mascara, put on like brightening powder under my eyes because I think, you know, I think you're supposed to try, I don't know. And then I would put powder on my face and then put on a lip gloss, and that would be it. I did do a little bit of eyeshadow today. I thought I was doing something, but I don't think I was. So it's about to be interesting. I already know this video about to be a hot ass mess, but whatever. Let's get started. Okay, so let me go ahead and open these up. Okay, so it's sticking on the thing. So wait, the thing that's on here, oh, that's the band? What is that? Oh. Okay, so I guess this is supposed to be on this eye. I'm trying to see how I would look with it. But it has this sticky stuff on it. Am I supposed to take that off? Let me try. It don't say to take nothing off. It just says
align band with natural lash line. Check to fit. Trim if necessary. Apply adhesive. Apply a thin line of adhesive along band. Wait 30 seconds to set. Apply lashes to secure. By pressing down on lash line.
okay, so let me go ahead and zoom you guys all the way in. Okay, so you guys are zoomed in. Alright, so I also got the lash glue. This is the clear, it says white clear one. Dries invisibly. Brush on. Okay. So the back directions are the same as the ones on the lashes. So I'm scared, but let's go ahead and do this. So let's see. Oh, okay. Do not freeze. Brush on adhesive. Okay. Trying to make sure I'm in the middle. Okay, so lash is right here. Let's see. All right, so let me go ahead, make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush the adhesive on the lash line. And then oh, it say to let it dry. I seen the YouTubers do this. They be blowing on it. Are you supposed to? Or do they just be doing that just to do it? I'll put more. I don't know how much you're supposed to be putting on here. I got lash glue on my pajama pants. Love that for me. Okay. Woo. Alright, I'm gonna try not to like edit this video too much. Depending on how long like it takes me, but okay. I'm gonna fan it. And you're supposed to wait. I heard you're supposed to wait till it's like tacky, right? I know that. Ooh, it's tacky. Okay. Let me make sure y'all can see me. All right. So I think this is supposed to be for this eye. Okay. Woo. Okay. I seen them put it. Ooh. There I did. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's on my lashes. It's supposed to be on the lash line. Alright, let me bring this closer. Alright, y'all can still see me. Ooh. I think I got it, y'all. I thought I was doing something. Look at my, y'all see my eye? Okay, alright, be serious. Do I need to put more glue? I feel like I should. Alright, I'm putting more glue because it'll dry it up on me. Ooh, you know what? I seen, it's my Ray Ray. She put the glue, like an eyeliner. Now I shouldn't be doing this because I don't know how to put no eyeliner on either. But let me try. Hold on. Okay. Okay. I think we're doing something. Ooh. Alright, I think we're doing something. Y'all see my eye, right? Okay. All I see is this glue. Alright, so now, alright, let me try and put it. Okay. And connect it. Okay. Oh, I think I did something. Ooh. She said, ma'am, I'm stuck. Okay. So the end of it, like the tip, is not, it don't have no glue. So I'm gonna try and like lift it up. Put some glue there. I wish I could see the faces I'm making, but I want y'all to see like look, y'all. I have on a lash. I'm mad geeked right now. I don't know why. Okay. Alright. Okay, I seen them do this too. Like, push it up. I look so different with lashes. Yeah, alright. So, let's try the second one. Alright, so then just, oh. Child, don't rip it. Rip it. Rip it. If y'all know what movie that's from. Alright, Shay, focus. Alright, what is this? Oh, I think that's, is that the band? So if I pull this little sticky stuff off, is that the band that's gonna come off? Alright, let me not play with this thing. This other eye though, this other eye, it look alright. It's stuck though. It's stuck. I feel it. Okay. Alright, let me try and, cause I don't know how they be doing this with their eye open. Like, hey Bubs, my dog trying to come in and get some cuddles. Mama busy right now. Mama trying to put on some lashes. Ooh. Oh, okay. I think okay. Woo. Child, my eye is like, says blink, please. Blink, please. All right, let me put on the glue. Okay, so we're gonna try the other eye. Okay. Alright, so part of it is dry. Okay, let me see. Child, they be putting their eyelash on like, alright, and that's it. Like, hold on. Okay. Yes, y'all can see me. Alright. Alright. I'm sweating. Whew. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I think I got it. What y'all think? Ooh, child. Alright, so it's like on my lash, like my lashes. And of course, this end, just like on the other side, this end did not stick. Ooh, I like these. These are pretty. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the other side and just put it on my lash line. I do have mascara on. Put it and like stick it. Let me see. Y'all see my lashes? I'm gonna look up so I can see these things. I don't know. So let's call up some friends and let's see. I think Bestie Westie is still. I keep going like that because like I'm not used to these things. I think she's still with her family. So let me call my other friend. He be cutting up. Friend.
What's up?
Look, I put on lashes. What you think?
I see you, girl. Now you're looking like a fairy.
Not a
Tinkerbell.
Not Tinkerbell.
Who's that? That's my baby Peach. Okay?
Uh-huh. What, you think I did it right? Look.
Yeah, you did. It's at the corner, perfectly fine. It's not ghetto and thing. You know, you see intelligent being a mile away. My bad.
Period. Hey Pookie, you busy?
No, what's up?
So I put on lashes. I want to get your reaction.
Okay. Ooh, cute.
You like it?
I like it. Well, you look so cute. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I wanted to get your reaction. This is my first time putting them on.
Oh my god. I'm jealous because I've been struggling and it looks so
Girl,
good.
it was a struggle.
Oh, they look good. You look so cute.
Thank you, mamas. I feel like I did the thing, but I don't know. What y'all think? I like them. I feel like I look cute with lashes. Like, what the goal was to put on lashes and some lip gloss and just walk out the house. Like, whenever I wanted to, like, go take a ugh. I can't even talk. I had a cup of coffee before I had a cup of coffee before I started filming. So this is the end of the video. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about the eyes. And yeah, I'm excited to keep recording for this series and do the damn thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go to bed. Bye guys.